We're here at Oskar Electronics, and the owner and his employees have experienced some type of paranormal phenomenon. They just want to find out who could be here. They have captured on a monitor a family dressed in period clothing.
And the screenshot took, but nothing came on the screenshot. Just what's here now. My first encounter of something happening here, I came over here to get some shirts. It was about 9 o'clock at night. I felt my hair stood up as soon as I came in here. I know there's something here. I know there's something here.
Right.
Yeah.
Everywhere I was walking, I just felt like someone was here looking like in my face. So I go and I'm telling Oskar, I'm like, hey, what's the deal with the shop, man? And he's like, yeah, I felt the same thing. He's like, I never spoke of it. So here we are.
My buddy, he had passed away, right? And I went to my other buddy's house. He's like, hey, Chris's mom moved back over there, and her sisters, we should go over there. And so as soon as I walked into the house, I felt like something, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like, I've been in a car accident, and when you crash and you feel like that wave, it felt like that. Once my friend's sister told me, oh, don't be scared. Like, she's like, I think it's Chris. Like, he's here. It's him. And he's like, and it was weird, dude. I never experienced anything like that before. And I never like believe in stuff like that. But that day, dude, it was like scary, but it was comforting at the same time.
That's a good description.
What is that?
Okay, that's not me, right?
No.
There's somebody right there.
Yeah, there's something there.
Is there?
Yeah, it's getting hotter now.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's getting hot now.
That's weird.
But
Is it anyone that I know? Yeah.
now the actual investigation starts. We will hear some voices in the background because they're still working.
The grid is set up.
So
The grid is set up.
So
The grid is set up.
So
Cool.
we would like to find out what your names are, if you are related to Oskar or Jose.
Or were you here from many years ago? Was this your shop?
Or your farm, right? Right?
Yeah.
And could you tell us the year? We know that Oskar, right?
Yeah.
And could you tell us the year? We know that Oskar. And could you tell us the year? Could you get Roy?
Yeah, I got it right. Yeah. So.
Could you get Roy?
Yeah, I got it right. Yeah. So.
Could you get Roy?
Yeah, I got it right. Yeah.
Because remember that one day when we heard all those papers, when I heard the papers shuffling, and then we opened the door, there was papers everywhere. And that, everybody witnessed that. But the lights were off. Nobody's in here.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like shuffling.
Yeah, like shuffling.
Now I'm getting the cold air.
Yeah.
And then the shirts, when I came that day, the shirts were in that room.
Oh, they were in this back
Yeah,
room?
they were in this room.
Oh.
So I had to go, and it was like 9 o'clock. Honestly, I was going to run out and say, you know what, no, I feel weird. Seriously. And so I got the shirts, and I literally even got something to prop the door open.
Wow.
That's how spooked out I got.
Take out like a snap over here.
See if you could feel it.
Cold air, you mean?
Stand there for a minute.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want to take out like a snap over here?
See if you could feel it.
Cold air, you mean?
Stand there for a minute.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want to take out like a snap over here?
See if you could feel it.
Cold air, you mean?
Stand there for a minute.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And something would draw me to that, get my attention and stuff. And so before I left, I went and opened the doors.
Should we feel like
No. You should feel very comfortable.
go on about our
Oh, yeah.
business?
Yeah, they're not.
Go on about our
Oh, yeah. They're not. Yeah.
Go on about our
Oh, yeah. They're not. Yeah. A lot of times, there are many spirits. They're not just maybe one or two.
Yeah.
They could be a relative of yours. So here's what we're trying, on these
Okay.
messages. So here's what we're trying, on these messages. So here's what we're trying, on these messages. So we'd like to find out perhaps if it's someone that may know you also. So we'll ask. You don't need to tell us anything. Spirit will, and then we'll be able to get those messages. Spirit will, and then we'll be able to get those messages to Spirit will. and then we'll be able to get those messages to you, and then
When?
in a couple days.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Not right now.
Cool. When?
In a couple days.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Not right now.
Cool.
Yeah, it doesn't come in real time.
When?
In a couple days.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Not right now.
Cool.
Yeah, it doesn't come in real time.
Up a little bit, so.
Can you get Roy?
Yeah.
Ghostbusters.